Hello everyone, in this video Faisal How Gadget will share how to wake screen when you get notification on Oppo A50 Okay, just go to the tutorial, don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next you open notification. Yaps, this is notification and status bar. Okay, next you open lock screen. Okay, next in wake screen, when a notification is received, you click enable. Okay, next I will test. Yaps, successfully again. Okay, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.